Hi divine people, I'm creating this colorful glitter look today. If you want to see how I achieved it, continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and let me know what you guys think. Starting out, I'm using the Charlotte's Magic Cream to prime my face. I absolutely love this cream and I picked it up from Sephora. So I already did my brows off camera. And right here I'm applying calamine lotion. I like using this because it helps with staying matte all day and it gives a full coverage. For concealer, I'm using Juvias Place in shade 12. I'm applying it to all of my highlighting areas, which is under my eyes, bridge of my nose, forehead, and chin. I'm taking the black opal foundation stick in the color Ebony Brown to contour my face. I'm blending this in with a flat brush first, and doing this allows the concealer to dry more so I can get a full coverage. Do your best to blend with a pressing motion. Basically, you're going to be patting it into your skin. With a damp sponge, I'm going to use the same patting motion to blend out my concealer. Do your best to keep blending in the same spot. Don't spread it out, just keep blending it in the same spot, and then it will flow. Under my contour, I'm placing my Fenty Beauty's foundation in the shade 450, which I will use on the other side of my sponge to blend in. I know I'm looking a little light and a little washed right now, but it's going to all come together, so don't worry. Once again, I'm going to take that foundation stick to contour and slim my nose. Now, when it comes time to contour your nose, you want to make sure that you have a small brush, something that will be able to help you keep your hands steady and even so that, your nose will look snatched and not too wide. Now I'm taking my Tarte concealer in the shade Tan Deep Sand to brighten my under eye a little bit more. You don't have to do that, but sometimes I like that effect, especially for a vibrant and bright eye look like the one we're doing today. To set my concealer, I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses mineral powder in the shade Caramel. And I'm also using the same patting motion to just pat that into my skin. Now I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup Setting Powder to bake under my eye and to prevent any other creases. To add some warmth to my face, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Bronzer in the shade Mocha. For blush, I mixed 3 colors from the Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice blush palette, and I'm just going to pat that onto my cheeks. Alright, now for the best part, I am using Divine Cosmetics Signature Eyeshadow Palette. This is from my cosmetic line. I have a lot of dope products on the site, so make sure you check them out and grab you some. This eyeshadow palette has a lot of vibrant colors in it, but you are also able to get a subtle look if that's what you're looking for, that's what you want to go with. So yeah. I'm going to be going in with the darkest shade in the palette first. I'm doing a cut crease today, so this is going to help bring out the crease more and make the other colors pop as well. Right here, I'm applying a dark purple onto the dark brown just to make this a little bit darker. Make sure that you're using a pat motion. Press it into the skin. To cut my crease, I'm using the P.Louise Rumor 3. Take your time when cutting your crease so both eyes can be as similar as possible. In the inner corner of my eye, I'm using the white. In the middle, I'm going to add the hot pink. And on the end, I'm going to use the yellow shade. Remember to press your eyeshadow in instead of in a sweeping motion, because it will look faded and you don't want that to happen. So just remember to pick up some of the eyeshadow and just pat it into the place that you want it. To apply my glitter, I'm using the Eye Envy Clear Lash Glue. The glitter I used is coming soon to Divine Cosmetics, so stay tuned. To clean the glitter off my face, I'm using a disposable mascara brush. It worked really well. At first, I was a little nervous because I normally will do glitter eyes before I apply my foundation, but it worked out good. So you can definitely use anything like that or a spoolie to get the glitter off. My lashes for today are Divine Cosmetics, of course, in the 3D Minks in Lash Style Goddess. I will also be applying these lashes with the Lash Adhesive, and you can purchase these on the site. For my lower lash line, I'm going to be using the dark purple on the outer corner and the hot pink on the inner corner, followed by black liner to my waterline. I have a new hack where I use a Q-tip or a lip wand to apply it, and it'll also soak up the wetness from your eye if you have watery eyes. So definitely try that out if you have a black gel liner or any color liner that you want to use. All right, this beautiful highlighter is also from Divine Cosmetics and Gradient Glow. And it is just so beautiful. So, so beautiful. I'm spraying the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Look at our cute makeup bag. And I'm also showing some of the matte colors, the lip glosses. And right here I'm using the brown liner to line my lips. The lip glosses that I will be using are Gloss Goddess and Sweet Cream.